Hello everyone, what's up? Sachin here from Text24.com. So we are here for a pretty much specifications review of rumors about OnePlus 2. Two successor might feature the same 5.5 inches display panel as seen in the original OnePlus 1, but with an increased resolution. Its resolution from Full HD 1082 into 920 pixels to be expect QHD display is 1440 into 2560 pixels. The smartphone is also tipped to include the latest 64-bit of Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, as previously we have seen in LG G Flex 2 at CES 2015. The report says that the Snapdragon 810 on board the OnePlus 2 might be coupled with 4GB of RAM and 3300 mAh battery. However, the details are just rumor awaiting to get officially confirmed by OnePlus. The OnePlus 2 handset last month also listed on a Chinese e-commerce website. While some specifications shown in listening matched with were completely changed, as the smartphone features a 5.5-inch display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 805 processor or 32GB of inbuilt storage, 16 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. Front-facing camera, all black by 3300 mAh battery. The connectivity options included 4G, GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro USB and OTG connectivity. The smartphone will run the company's own Android Lollipop